initially I said that the condensing unit was going to go in this position, but that was like a rough idea. So the electrician was really quick and put the isolator there, which is fine. However, we've changed plans. We've mounted the unit down there, and this was a 3-phase feed. So we've pulled it back and actually made the run shorter, and it'll come out just down there. And we're still going to utilize that hole and the 4 fixings to put another isolator there for a second unit. So we're having 2 outdoor units. So 1 outdoor unit there that goes upstairs. The other one is down here. And the reason why we did it down here, and the only reason, is because you're right there. The only reason
It's getting rained on.
The only reason we put it here is because this is a bathroom, and this is a big unit. So I was a little bit concerned about having like vibration noise go through, and that's a bedroom, so I didn't want to have this on the other side of the bedroom wall. We put it here outside the bathroom. This is a slab, this section here, which is the floor, and then this is the underfloor brick. So basically we've mounted it underneath the slab to stop vibration, so it's not going to be vibrating to the wall. Plus, even if there was a slight vibration, it's on there's an elevator there and a bathroom there. So we chose this for that reason. I have 150mm at the back, you only need 100. You need a meter at the front, we got more than that. And they've got condensing units on the other side of that wall, so the neighbours won't have an issue with it because they've got 3 outdoor units over there. And this is just a pipe to run some pipes. Basically, going to have Colorbond trunking going across here, there for pipes, up there, and you'll see that happen as we install it. But we ended up going 1 here and 1 other condenser there. So 2 condensers for the whole house. If anything goes wrong with one of the units, the whole house isn't without aircon. So that's what we decided to do. 2 outdoor units as opposed to just 1. And we didn't want to have 5 outdoor units here because that's just getting a bit crazy. So we went with 2. Happy days. So that's the bulkhead unit. Got a sleeve made up for the front. Basically the sides are going to be sealed. It's going to be getting a return from there, and obviously supply out the front. I wanted this located in the center because the way that the bar is getting fitted out, if you ever need to service it, we want basically, if we ever want to service it, we want to be able to get access, and where they're building the bar, it's getting built as such that if at any stage you need to take the top out, you can, and then we can just lower it. So basically that's in the center, and we've just got this custom sleeve made up that just extends it out like 200 mil. And yeah, it's all getting sealed, but that's what it looks like now. Insulated. All right. So basically out of here, pipes come out across in there. There will be a refnet, but it's not done yet. And then basically off that refnet, a pipe comes back out that second hole up and goes into like above the bathroom in there. I've got a ducted unit. And then basically off the refnet goes all the way to the other side, where there is some more trunking, which I'll show you in a sec after this clip. Yes, and some more pipe goes through there and goes to 2 bulkhead units. So 3 heads, 2 refnets, 7838 pipe off that. Yeah, so basically out in there. Basically refnet comes back out, up, and then off that refnet we've put clips, like booker rod, and these like little hanger things that clip onto the booker rod all the way along, so the pipe just goes straight across and then out through that other section of surf mist trunking. So basically next week Tom and I will be taking down the existing fan coil, pumping down the existing ducted, so I'll be without aircon, changing that over, and then commissioning this. I still need to, so basically I've run power from here, so yeah, basically the power's there, but we're going to utilize that for something else. I've relocated it to that isolator. Off that isolator we've got power, goes to the fan coil up there, and then just daisy chains to the next indoor, to the next indoor, and it does the same with the F1 F2 transmission cable. And then basically after that it's just that's actually it for the Daikin. But I'm putting I've got to run some Cat 6 basically from up there down to like an extension box, and run 2 to the other 2 fan coils. So because I'm using third-party controls, I want everything to be able to be run off the same app, and then once this unit gets done, that'll run off the same app as well. And then we're going to do the other house, which is somewhere else, and that'll be able to run through the same app as well. So it's all like automated together, but to do that we just need to run a whole bunch of Cat 6. Anyway, that's it. Home time.